This is second grade Go Math lesson 3.8 and today we're going to use drawings to represent problems. And it says to complete the bar model, then write a number sentence to solve. Sarah has 4 yellow beads and 3 green beads. How many beads does Sarah have? Now I'm going to go back and just look at the top up here, and it says use drawings to represent problems. Now there's some space to do a drawing here, but if you look at the actual teacher's manual here, nowhere on here does it actually have drawings. So I'm a little bit perplexed at why they actually said drawings, but we're going to use drawings just because they said it, and it's actually a good way to solve word problems. So we could do this a couple different ways. Excuse me. Number one, if I was going to do a drawing, it says Sarah has 4 yellow beads. So I'm going to take what I know. It says 4 yellow beads. I'm just going to use Y for yellow. For the yellow beads, I should say. And it says, and green beads. How many does Sarah have? So it wants to know how many total does she have. What is the sum of these 2 sets of beads? So I have 4 yellows and 3 greens. And I'm going to take this and just simply add them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I know I have 7 right there. Now if I look over here at my bar model, again I have the numbers 4 as the yellow beads, and I have number 3 as in the green beads. And sometimes writing something to help you remind you of what these actually numbers are representing, they're representing beads and different color beads. We want to know how many total there are, and this is called a bar model right here. And you see spot for 2 numbers here, and the larger number is going to go at the bottom for this one. Sometimes will be at the top, but it's kind of like the associative property, which problems can be flipped. You could say 4 plus 3 equals 7, or we could say 7 equals 4 plus 3. Either way, it's the same. So as we saw before, we found the answer is 7. So I'm going to put 7 right here. And it also asks you to make an equation right here. So I'm going to use my drawing to kind of help me out here. My drawing equation, I guess you could call it. So this is 4 plus 3 greens equals 7. So it's 7 beads.